Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to show you how to assemble and install the pedestal that comes with your C9 OLED TV from LG. And once you have all the box and the packing materials off, next step you're going to want to do is get this up onto a table, and then we're going to start assembly of the pedestal. Okay, and we've got the TV on the table. Now we took a piece of styrofoam here to kind of prop up the base of the pedestal on, and we're going to set this down just like that and kind of lean it in so it's angled, and then you're going to take the front piece of the pedestal and that's going to slide into place. Take your time with that part because it is a little tricky getting it in there the right way. Now that we've got this piece in place, we're going to take 3 of our screws from the package of screws that we took out of the accessory bag and put them in. Okay, now we've lifted our pedestal bottom up off of the floor, and as you can see here, there are 2 little tabs that stick up. Those are going to line up with 2 little indentations in the back of the television. So you're just going to want to line those up, and everything should slide into place, and then once everything is in, all 4 of the screw holes on the back should also line up, and you'll be able to see that when you're standing over the TV. And now we're going to put in our 4 remaining screws. If you have a screwdriver that's a little narrower than ours, it's probably not a bad idea, as you'll see when we get to this bottom screw here. There's just not a whole lot of room between the pedestal and where the screw's going in. And to finish things up, we've just got this plate that goes on the back to cover up the open part here, and there's 4 tabs on the top, 2 little tabs on the sides, and those just slide up, and that should just click into place just like that. Alright, so that's all there is to it for setting up the pedestal on the new C9 OLED from LG. As you can see, it's a little easier than last year's C8, but there are some things to look out for, so make sure you keep an eye on that. Thanks for watching as always, and stay tuned because we're going to have a lot more videos coming up.